Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to the tutorial on replacing the cable of your Thermomix TM21. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. You'll also need a new compatible cable for your Thermomix TM21. Step 1. Unplug the Thermomix. Safety is paramount, so make sure the device is completely unplugged before starting any repairs. Step 2. Open the base. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the bottom of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Step 3. Remove the cover. Gently lift the plastic cover off. Be careful not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any additional screws. Step 4. Identify the cable connection. Inside, locate the cable connection points. Take a moment to examine how the existing cable is routed. This will help you with the installation of the new cable. Step 5. Cut the old cable. Using the wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable at the connection points. Make sure to leave enough length to work with when connecting the new cable. Step 6. Prepare the new cable. Strip the ends of the new cable to expose the wires. You want to ensure about ½ inch of exposed wire for a secure connection. Step 7. Connect the new cable. Match the new cable's wires to the corresponding connection points inside the Thermomix. Use your flathead screwdriver to secure the wires in place. Make sure the connections are tight to avoid any electrical issues. During this process, if you find that you don't have the right tools or feel uncomfortable with any steps, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the situation for you. Step 8. Reassemble the Thermomix. Once the new cable is securely connected, carefully place the cover back on the Thermomix. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring a snug fit. Step 9. Test the device. Plug in the Thermomix and turn it on. Check that it operates smoothly and that there are no unusual sounds. If it doesn't work as expected, don't hesitate to reach out. If you prefer a hassle-free solution, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service right to your doorstep. Step 10. Final check. Ensure everything is functioning properly before considering this repair complete. If you're unsure or encounter any issues, remember we can provide you with a quote before repair. This way, you're informed about the costs involved before committing to any service. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With these steps, you can successfully replace the cable on your Thermomix TM21. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.